Cardi B's attorney was like, listen, talking to the jury, this was a powerful argument. She was like, hurry up and come in. I only got 30 minutes to drag this nigga. I was like, oh, wait, me? Is she gonna talk about me? What did I do? I sit here in a tie. What did I do? I got a tie on. Is she gonna talk about me? I'm on that nigga head. Shout out to TASHAK Atty. Listen, guys, listen. I don't know how you pay $4 million as a damn. I'm going to talk to you guys about this too. I was there in court today. I was trying to go incognito and y'all done called me out. I was trying to slip in and slip out and y'all called me out. But I want to talk to you guys today because there were some very interesting things in court that happened today. And, you know, yes, we are coming to this result. And this is so much money, guys, for a YouTuber. This is some bullshit. I mean, this is a lot of money. I'm not like TASHAK Atty just gonna run out to these 260-pound Olgas. Ridiculous, right? But this is so much money, $4 million. How did the punitives get this high, guys? How did the punitives get this high? Do you know? Guys, I got so much to talk to you. Let me shout out quickly the punitive damages. Did anybody hear this? TASHAK Atty had a chance to argue about the punitive damage award. The judge gave each side 20 minutes to argue about how much the award should be. The plaintiff, Cardi B, is going to argue for a high award. TASHAK Atty is going to argue for a low award. The judge said, don't long stroke me. You only got 20 minutes. Now, the way it is Cardi B can break her 20 minutes up. Check it. Cardi B can say, I'm going to use 10 minutes now and save 10 for later. 10 minutes now, then I'm going to let you go. You go, TASHAK Atty, and then I get the last word. The plaintiff gets the last word. So, guys, listen to what I'm telling you. Listen to what Olga did. This fine attorney that TASHAK Atty hired, TASHAK Atty's legal team. Y'all remember TASHAK Atty's bragging on her legal team? Y'all remember TASHAK Atty talking about, oh, the attorneys that I hire? The attorneys that I hire? The lead attorney is on YouTube, but the attorney that I hire, I'm retired, number one. Number two, look what happened to you. Like, don't ever come for an attorney's reputation. But this is something that you obviously don't understand because your attorney was getting her reputation ground into the dust from day one on this case, from day one. Shout out to Larry Reed. What did Larry Reed say? Larry Reed came on this show when? Yesterday or the day before? Larry Reed said, hey, TASHAK Atty referred Olga to me. TASHAK Atty referred Olga to me. Olga did all right, but she made some mistakes. Of course, because it's Olga. The attorneys that I hire, lead attorney, my legal team, all of these black women down here in Atlanta.
Hey, what's up? This is your girl, Nicole, reloaded, and we loaded up, and we loaded up, hey, and we loaded up with another video. Peep game, Dennis Byron just drops. The good news for hashtag TASHAK Atty is that her lawyers have likely committed malpractice, which if proven will have to help her with the bag, aka money damages. Hashtag free game. Twitter's users say, that's not good news. She needs to learn to humble herself. She wants to sue her lawyers. If that's what she wants to do, is she really okay? Well, damn. Her karma came back and said, here, you left this behind. What is wrong with her? How did they commit malpractice, one asked. Another said, It would be good news if she was smart enough to take it. My 2 cents. She would lose the lawsuit as well because she could have fired the lawyers 2 years ago, but didn't and did not. Why reimburse her for being so stupid? Just asking what a smiley emoji. Let me tell you something. When I had my attorney, there is a difference between an attorney that you pay $1,000 to handle your court case, and there's definitely a difference when you pay $1,000 an hour or per court visit. A $250 lawyer, a $500 lawyer. Not all the time your attorney's gonna like your ass. They're gonna do their job. They're supposed to do their job, but not all the time. My attorney taught me how to speak, how to stand, prepared me for the judge. Paralegal even got me ready to know what zodiac signs, what cases might pop up before me, how the hallway was gonna look. Even his paralegal gave me a gift certificate to go get G'd up. See, because a good attorney will take care of you. I remember he called me and told me how to dress, what colors. I learned that colors are important in court. See, I'm a small YouTuber, but I dropped this game to TASHAK K about 3 weeks ago. A criminal attorney can't handle a defamation lawsuit. They're not trained in that area. You should have had an entertainment attorney and a defamation attorney, and also someone that could scrub the internet for your defense. Just because someone can handle criminal and murder don't mean they can handle a child custody case. The laws are different in civil court, family court, federal court. That's why they have to study different types of law. So once again, the good news, Dennis Byron states, hashtag TASHAK K, is that her lawyers have likely committed malpractice, which if proven will have to help her with the bag, aka money damages, hashtag free game. What says you? How you feel about this here? I'm going to drop in the definition because you know I like to educate my people. Oh yes. Get into this early morning tea. Shout out to the West Coast, East Coast, and everybody around. This is your girl Nicole Reloaded. Let's get into it.
Attorney misconduct is unethical or illegal conduct by an attorney. Attorney misconduct may include conflict of interest, overbilling, refusing to represent a client for political or professional motives, false or misleading statements, hiding evidence, abandoning a client, failing to disclose all relevant facts, arguing a position while neglecting to disclose prior law which might counter the argument, and in some instances having sex with a client. The advent of electronic record keeping and e-discovery has also resulted in a record number of attorney sanctions for a range of abuses, from failure to produce to the leaking of sealed documents. In a case highlighting such abuses, in 2007 plaintiffs in a pharmaceutical lawsuit were found to conspire with attorneys and journalists to publicize protected discovery documents defying a judge's protective order. As the Durham County, North Carolina prosecutor, Mike Nafong, gained national infamy for a pattern of attorney misconduct related to the 2006 Duke University lacrosse team scandal. Legal malpractice is a separate concept, such as when an attorney fails to adequately, professionally, competently, or zealously represent a client. While malpractice and misconduct may often be found in the same matter, they are separate concepts and need not both exist. The American Bar Association (ABA) has established model rules of professional conduct expected of attorneys, which most states in the U.S. have incorporated as part of their state laws. Each state issues its own set of rules governing the ethical rules and the related enforcement of those rules, generally through their state bar associations. As the state bar organizations and their enforcement mechanisms are composed of lawyers who set the rules, the regulation of attorney ethics is self-regulated and self-policed. The self-regulation of any industry by its economic participants poses an inherent conflict of interest between the professional objectives of the members of the profession and those for whom the regulation would protect. Some academic researchers and industry pundits have asserted that attorney discipline in the U.S. is ineffective and favors lawyers and law firms. Individual lawyers or their firms may be cited for misconduct by a judge in the originating proceedings or by a corresponding state bar.
Y'all gonna get y'all money? Damn, I owe y'all money, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let me think,
Okay.
All right, that's $42.25. That ain't too bad.
Yeah, but that would be each.
Each?
Yes.
Damn, but that only leave me with $1.
Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, keep nigga got the Woods, pretty face, but I'm known for hitting drugs. Yeah. Got him like, too good. To the yard, he ain't never leave his pretty on God. Broke, too good. Real boss, keep nigga